你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Maya Zhou. In our channel, we'll provide you free Chinese language courses and we try to update weekly. Hopefully, you can find something useful and fun in this channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, and if you want to learn more about the language, you can subscribe our channel. We try to use the shortest time but provide you the most systematic knowledge of the language. Now let's get started with lesson 3, okay? Last time we talked about the single vowels and the compound ones. And look at the screen, everyone. How many compound vowels do you still remember? The first one, I, yes. Second one, A, 非常好. Number 3, we. Number 4, ow. Next, O, yes. Next, yo. Next, yeah. Good. Next one, yue. How many do you still remember? And the useful expressions. First one, 您好. 您好. Number 2, 你们好. 你们好. Number 3, 对不起. 对不起. Next, 没关系. 没关系. Okay, now let's officially get into the new things we're going to learn. That is the compound vowels second part. Look at the first one. We know the sound of a, and this letter says n. It's actually a nasal sound in Chinese pinyin. N. A plus n, it says a, n, a, n. An, as in 饭 meal. 饭 as in 班 which means class. 班 as in 男 male. 男 很好. This one says the sound of n. N as in 本 notebook. 本 or 门 door. 门 or the sound of 很 which means very, as in 你好吗? 我很好. I am very good. I am quite good. This one, it says E plus N. E-N, E-N, yin. Again, yin, as in 您, 您, you in a respectful way. Do you still remember how to say hello to your teacher, your boss, your parents? Yes, 您好. 您 yin as in 心 which means heart. 心 as in 阴 cloudy. 阴 Now, this one, it writes with U and N, but the actual sound are the small ones. Remember that. It happens a lot in Chinese pinyin. So, it's Wu plus N. Wu, N, Wu, N. Wen, wen, as in 困 sleepy, 困 as in 轮 wheel or tire 轮 or 婚 marriage 婚 Now this one looks very similar to the last one. The only difference are the two dots on the top. Now we write like this, but the actual sound is the small ones. So it's U plus N. U plus N. U N yun. Yun. Again. Yun. Now we know the tone marks are above the finals. So when there are tone marks, we need to remove the two dots because it will be replaced by the tone marks, which looks like this. Now, let's look at the examples. Yun as in 熏 熏 寻 寻 look 寻 or 君 the empire 君 Let's move on to second part, useful expressions. First one, we know it from a lot of conversations. It means thanks or thank you. How to say it? 谢谢 Again, 谢谢 or 谢谢你 Thank you, 谢谢你 To answer that, we say 不谢 or 不客气 Again, 不谢 or 不客气 which means sure, you're welcome. And the last one, it means goodbye. 再见 再见 We're not saying goodbye now. Let's move on. Look at the two pictures. On the left one, the girl is helping the boy. What should the boy say? Yes, 谢谢你 or 谢谢. And to answer that, the girl should be saying 不客气. And look at the picture on the right side. They are waving goodbye. Guess what are they talking? Yes, they're talking or saying 再见. 再见. Now, these are all things we need to know about the compound vowels for today. Do you still remember the sound? First one, an. Number 2, n. Number 3, yin. Next, wen. Last one, yun. Yes. And the expressions? First one, 谢谢 or 谢谢你. To answer that, 不谢 不客气 Again, 不谢 or 不客气 Last one, goodbye 再见 再见 Okay, That's all for today, and we'll be using the phrase we learned from today, 再见, to end our lesson, okay? 再见, everyone. See you.